In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer files from the external hard disk to your Samsung Galaxy A15. So once your hard disk is connected to your device, the first step is to open the Files app. Then under the storage section, you should see your external hard disk. To move files from the hard disk or to copy files from the hard disk to your phone, open the file location. So say for example, I wish to move these files. What I would do is long press on one file, and I can choose to move that singular file, or I can select multiple files. Then select move or copy, and then you can go back to the main files menu and go to internal storage. Here you should see a list of all files that are already created on your device. If you want to create a new folder, you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and select create new folder. Put in a name that you wish to use, and then tap on create. Then you should see it in your internal storage menu. Tap on it and then select move here. Wait for the files to be moved, and then you should see them listed in that folder. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.